Good afternoon, teacher, parent, and everyone. My name is Ravin, and today I'm going to talk about three amazing places I visit with my family. But before I start, I would like to ask you all a question. Have you ever had three amazing you have with your family? If you have, please raise your hand. Thank you. For me, I have three amazing places I visit with my family. The first place was Boko Mountain. I visit with my family. My family is so happy and fun. The Boko Mountain it looks so beautiful and I eat a lot of food. The second place was Prasai Hanukville. My family go to the Prasai Hanukville. There are mom, dad, brother, and I go to the Prasai Hanukville. And I go to the beach to swim in the sea with my brother. My mom and dad eat seafood. That's yummy. The third place was Siem Reap. I visit with my family and I go to the Angkor Wat temple and I see a sunrise. It looks so beautiful. The Bayon temple is a big temple. In conclusion, or to sum up, these are my three amazing places I visit with my family. How about you? What is a three amazing place you have with your family? Thank you for listening to my speech.